Hello everyone, how are you people? I am Vikas Panda and you are watching Panda's Wisdom Talks. So in the last video, we have discussed the three main E's that shape our attitude. And we have also discussed how important attitude is in our life for growth and success. Right? So in today's video, we'll be discussing about positive attitude, the right kind of attitude that we need to have to become successful. So before starting, let me ask you a question. Is positive attitude really important for success in life? Yes, it is important. Just as the absence of ill health doesn't mean that we are healthy, similarly the absence of negative attitude doesn't mean that we have a positive attitude. People with positive attitude have certain personality traits in them. Just like they are caring, they are humble, they are patient, and above all, they are loving. Yes, people with positive attitude carry these kind of personality traits in them. A person with a positive attitude have high expectation of themselves and others. They anticipate positive outcome. A person with a positive attitude is like the fruit of all seasons, is welcome everywhere. So what are the benefits of a positive attitude? The traits in a positive attitude are easy to see, but what's easy to see is also easy to miss. Positive attitude makes him a pleasing personality. It is energizing. Positive attitude increases your enjoyment in life. It inspires people around you. It helps you to become a contributing member in the society, which is very important, because unless you contribute to a society, you don't feel the satisfaction of life. It increases productivity in life. As positive attitude has some personality traits, so does negative attitude. There are some things we need to have and some things we need to avoid. Life is an obstacle course, and we become our biggest obstacle by having a negative attitude. Negative attitude leads to bitterness. Negative attitude leads to resentment in life. Having a negative attitude can make you quite purposeless. Yes, negative attitude can deteriorate your health. It can spoil your health. Negative attitude is the cause of high stress for you and the people around you. So when we become aware of our negative attitude, why don't we change? At some point in life, we will come to know that this personality trait is not good for me and people around me. Why don't we change? Because we as human beings resist change. May that be positive or negative. It can often be stressful. I guess you people are familiar with the name Charles Dickens. He's one of the famous authors. In his book, in his life story, he wrote about a prisoner who was serving jail term for 8 years. He was released after 8 years of his term. As soon as he was released, he started enjoying his freedom. He started having good food. He started having good friends. Everything was good. But as the time went on, he started hating that life. Yes, because there were too many opportunities. Because there was too much freedom. His life is not restricted enough. That happens. And what became the result of it? He committed a crime just to come back to his cell, because he was very comfortable in his cell. His freedom was limited. His life was restricted. That made him very comfortable in life. This happens with every prisoner. Not every, 80% of prisoners who have served the jail term for more than 10 years. When your attitude is negative, your life is restricted. You have fewer friends. Your success will be limited. Your enjoyment will be less. So now it's high time for us to decide what kind of attitude should we have. Positive attitude, which is responsible for upliftment in our life of mind and the society I live in and the country I live in, or the negative attitude that does nothing but suck my energy out and the energy of people around me. So, people, let me give you a task. List out all your personality traits and categorize them. And if they are negative, think of the ways of changing them. And if you don't find any, stay tuned to my next video. I'll be talking about how to build a positive attitude, which is very crucial in life. Yes, positive attitude is very, very crucial in life. How to build one? Can we build one? Yes, we can build one. There are steps we need to follow. Everything has a procedure. We need to follow them. I'll be discussing the steps to build a positive attitude in my next video. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys.
Hi everyone.
Guys, please.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hi friends.
Please do like, share and
Like, share and grow.
Like, share and grow. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.
Like, share and grow.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Do follow Panda's Wisdom Talks to have more interesting stuff and more moral stories.
subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Subscribe to Panda Wisdom Talks.
Please do subscribe to Panda Wisdom Talks.
Please follow Panda's Wisdom Talk.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Please subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell button.
Do watch his videos, also worth it. Keep it up.